Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghack's channel. So today let's learn about new tutorials from CapCut. Today I would like to share about how to make the video faster in a CapCut by iOS. So on my project I already have the video that I want to edit it become faster since it's a little bit slower as you can see. Okay, as usual, let's make the video become active mode. And then if you see on the below button, there are a speed button. Just click the speed button, and then there are two options. So one is normal and the second one is curve. For the normal, it's already adjusted by the system. You can just click it and the speed gonna like the same from the beginning until the end of the video. But then in the second options, which is curve, you can adjusting which second that you want to be fast and which second that you want to be slow. Here I want to click the normal, so the speed is gonna be the same. I want to click it into the 5 times faster. Just click over here, right, and then click checklist button, and then now your video is 5 times faster than previously. And now let's have a test. Right, so that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.